Good afternoon, teacher. My name is Sandra Carolina Barbesi. I am studying in the National Open Distance University. Mm, mm, Question. Question 5. 1. Do you spend much money on your last trips? What's its fair amount? Um, well, the truth is, on my last trips, I spent little money since some relatives invited me to the capital for a short vacation. 2. Did you go sightseeing on your last trips? What was the most interest, interest, interesting place you visited? Yes. On my last trip, I made tours to the hill of Monserrate in the city of Bogota, emblem of the capital. 3. What was the most incredible activities you did on your trips? What did you do? The most incredible activities I did was to climb the Monserrate hill along the trail and down the cable car. 4. What what was the cheapest place you visited in your city? And the cheapest place I have visited in my city is a place called Entre Flores Familiar Restaurant. 5. Have you ever met a new friend on a trip? How did it happen? Yes, yes. When I went to Bogota, I met her Germany in restaurant. Friends introduced us, and from there we have a nice friendship. Thank you very much for your attention. Bye.